Okay, here we are. We're in Iloilo and we're going to do a walk along the river. I think we should, maybe, if we can understand the taxi driver, we may end up in the old city, and it's supposed to be a nice little walk. Apparently it's one of the cleanest cities in the Philippines, and that's why a lot of foreign people and local people like Iloilo. And here's the river. Here we go. Oh, look, there's a work there. Here we are. Like a coloured bridge across there. I've seen it all before. They've got bridges here that are got colours and that. It's supposed to be a really nice place. Nice city. There's a river there. Here we go. Here we are. People across there. It's Sunday now, nearly Sunday afternoon I would imagine now. We've been a bit busy sorting out what we're going to do. Tomorrow we're going to go because our hotel runs out. Booking tonight, so here we are. I don't like the look of them clouds there. I don't like the look of that at all. I think we're going to get caught out in the rain. The thing is, it's never cold there, so here we are. Quite nice actually. You can see they're going to grow the flowers here. It's very nice city, very friendly, lovely people. They're very got a lot more time than the people of Manila, where it's a complete manic rush. Having said that, it's good to see and experience Manila. Oh, there's some guys fishing here. Look, they're fishing, love. Yeah. Wonder if I'm gonna get anything. Oh, it's really quiet here. It's warm today. Oh, blimey. It's warm today. Oh, there must be an apartment block there. Nice place to live. You got an apartment there. Oh, by the river. Here we go. Yeah. Bikes there. There we go. Look at that. Here we are. Nothing much happening there, it's just some friends having a nice time on a Sunday afternoon or Sunday morning. It's lovely, the river is quite wide.
You haven't got yet?
No, I haven't caught anything yet. Here we are. There. Hello!
There?
There we are, look how friendly they are. Hello, how are you? Kumusta?
Ayo man. I teach you Ilonggo.
Thank you.
We're gonna teach you Ilonggo.
Oh, there's some birds out there, it looks like cranes or whatever. There we are. People on their bikes. Hello.
Where are we from there?
Hey?
The twin. Where are we from there?
You can swim there.
No, where we from there?
Where are we from there?
There, the twin. Can you see that? The building that says the twin? I think we were there.
That's a hospital.
No, not that one. That one. Over there. The twin, the red building.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, we could have walked there, really. We've been a bit lazy.
I think that's where we're from.
That's where we came from.
We came from.
That's it. Oh, yeah, I can't see the screen. There we are. Hello. Kumusta? Any fish? Any fish today? No, no luck. Nothing to eat tonight then. There we are. Blimey, it's slippery there if you fell in there.
Look at their bait. Look.
Their bait.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, he's putting a bait.
Ah,
It's a worm for sure.
a worm, yeah?
Yeah.
He's baiting up.
Yeah. Ano na, no uod? Papasayan, shrimp.
Oh, shrimp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use shrimp for bait.
Shrimp for bait. There they are.
Mm.
There you go. Good luck.
Good luck.
building here. Oh, a lovely place to live. This is a really nice city. We had some great times here. Met some really nice people while we've been staying here. But this is the first time that we're actually going to go down into the old city. We took a big drive yesterday and went out to this farm. So here we are. The kids playing. Oh, they're fishing as well, are
Ano
they?
na panguha nyo?
Ah,
Dahil hindi. Ano gagamba? Ano wala dira dinosaur ya? I don't know what they're looking for.
well, they got a secret place. That's fishing, now. They've got hooks. They got a secret place where they fish.
Kapang isda man kamo, kapang awel.
Ask them if they get big fish there. Ask them if they
Ay,
get...
may dako nga isda. Nuya sila, they're shy.
Oh. It's nothing. The kids can be quite shy. It's like, I suppose anywhere in the world is the same. There we are. So, what's this say? What's this say? Face masks.
Yeah. That was when the COVID time.
Oh, right. It doesn't apply anymore.
Yeah.
No. £500 penalty for violators. I don't think that applies anymore, but you've got to wear face masks when you're in a plane. You know, anybody coming here, especially my brother, just bring some face masks with you. Not the surgical types, the ones that you can sort of wash. It'd be a better idea. Here we are. There's something here. I don't know what this is. This is, I think, one of the most up-and-coming cities in the Philippines. People feel safe, and the air is slightly cooler because it's on the sea, it's on the coast, and it's a little bit windier. But not today, it isn't. But this is our last day, I think, today, unless we don't see enough. Right. Hello. It's another bridge. The river keeps going. I imagine it's a tidal river. I don't know. Well, there's some more people fishing here. Here we are. Colourful, very colourful. So that's where we've come back from. We've walked down there. So it's on a square here. There's a university there. Back round. What's this say here? Very quiet around here. Iloilo, here we are. So, I don't know where she is. Oh, she's over there. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's interesting. Sculpture. They speak a language here called Ilonggo. It's not Tagalog like most of the Philippines. They've got their own sort of dialect, Ilonggo. So that's lovely. Look at that. So it must be one of their old ways of getting around. Funny, they've all got face masks. That's right. Surely that isn't a new. Well, there we are. There we go. Let's go on. Rules of the day. No littering, no carrying of deadly weapons, no smoking, no alcoholic drinks, no vendors, no spitting, no vandalism. This is the walk 4. There we are. I think we're going to go down there. I'm not sure. I think so. I don't know where Mira's gone. Okay, well, come on then.
Are we going there?
Yeah, under the bridge.
Is it? You know very well.
Well, I don't know. I just went there to explore.
To go to the port from that bridge.
I don't know.
Let's just have a selfie here.
Okay.
I remember
More kids fishing there. I don't like the look of that cloud. That looks like we're going to have to take cover, because when it rains here, it doesn't rain, it pours, and I can tell you. The rain in the tropics is like really heavy. So here we go. Let's see who's living under the bridge. There we are. There's a bridge. Watch your head.
Be careful. Look.
It's very slippery here. Look at this. I think the rain. There's actually wheelchair access here. Oi. Oh, it's really slippery. Really slippery. It is under the bridge. Here we are. Look at this. Here we are. The river down there. Here we go. Very slippery. Yep. So there's no one living there.
Esplanade.
Esplanade. Wow. Oh, this is 6, so that's allowed 6. Again, there's more regulations there. Here we go. There's something there, I don't know. It's like a poo cart and a little Daihatsu. Who knows? Got a guy fishing there. Got their secret spots. This is lovely. Look at it here. Very nice. Iloilo. That's lovely, look. There we are. You're quiet today. Good. Worn out from yesterday. We had a really good sleep actually, because we've been like burning the candle at both ends. And so we've both had a really good sleep. A bottle of wine helps, and of course a red horse knocked me out. Mira was gone before that. So, eh? So quite, I don't know how far this is into the city, but we'll see. Really quiet here. We are carrying on. Cycling away. Hello. Hello. Fishing out. They're giving up fishing here. Or they know something we don't and they're going to hide from the rain.
Tamo isda, Noy? Gamay? Pila lang, pwede pakita?
Oh, we got some fish.
Gamay lang? Ay, sang aga pa kamote? Oh!
Oh, there we are. Look at that.
Can you?
Oh, there's a bigger one under that bottle there. Look. Yeah. Hang on, I'm going to turn here. Let's turn and see that there. Ah, so he's been successful.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah. Congratulations. You can eat now. Hey? No. Food for the family. There we are.
Okay. Thank you, Lord.
Salamat.
Salamat.
He's packing up. Ask him if he thinks it's going to rain. I don't know.
Yeah, maulan eh. Babalan mo gid. Hey.
What?
You can already see that it's about to rain. You don't need to ask him.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know if it's going to rain all day and we're going to be stuck under a bridge.
They don't care about it. I tell you what, people here don't bother about weather. If it rains, it rains.
Yeah, I know.
Not like Guernsey people. We check the weather. We never check weather here.
All right, okay. So here we are. There we go. So this is lovely still, like palm tree lined. Coming across another bridge over there. And from now on we don't talk about the weather. No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, no, you don't talk about the weather. If it rains, it rains. If it's not, it's not. We don't bother about it. Come what may.
There we are. I've been told. There's another bridge coming up there. Somewhere to shelter from the rain.
It's raining!
Don't talk about the weather.
You see?
We're going to get soaked in all the equipment.
That's the excitement!
Hopefully there's a bridge. You shout onto a bridge. But I don't know. Not looking at it. It's not like the other one.
No, there's no way on the bridge.
But here we are. We're sheltering on the bridge. Don't mention the weather. But it's really raining. And we're wet. With the other people, I'll show you here. The guys here, look at this. There we are. Finding sheltering under the bridge. We had to run here. So there we are.
Basta makadula kami sa barko bala?
Dito na oh. Mababakulot mo?
Hindi, hindi malagaw-lagaw lang.
Mga biyahe, nakulot lang mga barko.
Pagkatapos ni dire nga lakton, huli ko na kami. Sumadiretso kami dire, tapos mutabok.
We had to run. We had to run. So, bit wet, there we are. The thing is, we've got this bag. We only got this bag to put all the phone and all that in, and the car.
We are close, he said. When we reach that one, we cross. We don't need to. Ha? Sa Dapat SM. He said we don't need to cross the road. We go this way.
Okay. Right, we're going that way, but not yet.
Yeah, to go to the front.
Never, ever, ever mention the weather.
Now it rains and we're soaked.
Ah oui. I pure vas, moffe. I pure vas. Nous y troupoy. Cherry. We found some shelter, actually. We found it's like there's a sort of a glass top here. So under the grapevines. There's some kind of a little park or something here. So we crossed from the river across the road and over here.
Let's walk under the shelter. Look around. I don't know what this is like.
Oh yeah, this is some kind of a little, I don't know. It could be someone's garden for all I know.
This could be like a government thing because there's an ambulance there.
There were people taking the fair. They were doing a photo shoot. The young couple there. Singing in the rain. Hey? Yeah, tricycle. That's what I'd have if I was in the Philippines. It's one of them. But we're better than that with a big roof. Big roof on it. They get Kawasaki like, they're 4-strokes. Kawasaki 4-strokes. There's a make a bike I've never seen before. And there's a Cowie there. The old Cowie, used to call it the old Cowies. There we are. 125. I've got a license to ride a 125. I'll see when I get to the islands I might hire a motorbike.
Thank you for keeping our museum premises clean. So
Say that again?
a museum.
What's that?
There, look.
Who's that? What's that?
What? The fireworks.
Fireworks?
Yeah.
In the rain?
Yeah. Firecrackers.
Alright,
You
okay.
know firecrackers? That's a look.
I know cream crackers.
Look, so that place is a museum.
Museum. Oh, what else going on there? It's firecrackers. Oh, there we go. We're trying to get out of this place now. So we're gonna no walking on the grass. Oh dear. Oh dear. There we are. It's still raining slightly, but not much. Hopefully it'll be alright. Otherwise someone's gonna get in trouble. There's cars there, and I hope we can cross the road, because the actual walkway is across the road there. So I just provincial cap.
Oh,
What's
it's
this?
a municipality.
It's a government office, is it?
Yeah.
Alright. Government office that we
Look, there's a chair. It's closed.
government staff. Alright, so we're gonna have to we found a gate anyway, so we're gonna get out of
There's
here.
a guy there.
And it's so they may survive. So this is the ambulance. Province of Iloilo. There we are. Let's hope we don't need that. Let's hope we don't need that. There we are. Someone's got an umbrella. Hello!
Okay, so I think this is the city now.
Oh, we're in the city now. Look at this.
Yeah,
Look,
this is
there's
the capital.
something in the centre there. Oh, there's a hotel. Days by Wyndham.
That's a plaza.
It's a lot less hectic than Manila, I can tell you. Oh, we must.
Because we are
A lot
already.
less hectic. It's very nice. It's a very nice place. There we are. I think we should carry on the bay walk and then turn right when we get to the bottom.
Look, city proper is that way. Can you
City
see that
proper.
sign?
Yeah, well, we could come up that way.
Yeah.
City
So
proper.
the port, we said we need to go straight.
Yeah, so let's go to the
So-
port. It's all like
There,
boats.
look, Iloilo Ferry Terminal.
Okay. So let's go back onto the.
We need to have a selfie of this Iloilo province.
Right, keep off the grass though.
You'll be safe here.
There we are.
Let me take a video. You can video that here.
Iloilo provincial capital. There we are. So they must be the main government. They must be the main government building of the city. Well, yeah, look at that. It's not clogged with traffic. It's all right, eh? And there's the other bridge there. There's a zebra crossing here, but they don't stop for you. The car, the piece of metal is more important than the person here. That's it. They won't stop. Being a foreigner, I sort of get away with it. So. Okay, we made it across the road. There we go. They let us through, or let me through. A bit of a panic situation. There we are, there we are. There's another bridge. Following the river again. Following the river down. There's actually people like swimming in it across there. Fair enough. So again, it's really lovely here, the walkway they've made. Look at this. Isn't that lovely? So I'm going to carry down. It's hardly raining at all now. Don't mention the weather. It's so lovely and quiet, this city. I know it's Sunday and that, but it really is lovely and quiet. Oh, there's a hotel there, look. You can even do U-turns on the road, it's so quiet. East Wing Grand. Something hotel. Good as it is. There we are. Here we are. It's another bridge, all colourful, along the river. Some more guys fishing there. Just said hello to me, and that's There she is, making her own films. That's it. I can see this part of it, small little, well, there's a couple of little private sort of boats there, and there's a couple of ferries there. We were thinking about getting a ferry to from Rojas City, which is, I don't know, quite a way up from Iloilo City, and to Batangas, but it's 16 hours and it costs more on a ferry than it does to fly. Would you believe that? Well, there you are. So I don't know. There seems to be some kind of stadium over there. I don't know what you can see.
Yeah.
So we're coming into the city there. There's some more shops there. This is how it's all like this. There's all little shops. Everyone's an entrepreneur. They've all got different little things going on. They're all selling different things besides their main jobs. They have to, really. I don't know if you can pick up the people getting into that ferry cross there. But, there's people boarding that one. Come across a private boat. Looks like got a big motor on the back. See if I can see what it is. Oh no, it's 135 on the back of that. I don't want to hang the phone over in case it falls in the river. Some more coming up here. Some more little boats.
Original fishing boat.
Yeah, original fishing boat. They got like they stabilise themselves like that. They've got engines, but the thing is they ain't got no drag, so they're quite quick on a small little engine. Yeah, so that's the way the boats are here.
That's a fisherman boat.
Yeah. So he's got his little shelter there. So that's the way they are. Yeah, they got like tiny little engines, but they're, like I said, they're no drag. They're very stable, but they take up a lot of room, a lot of beam. But it's something a bit quicker here. I don't know if it's a government boat. It's a what boat? Talk to the
Bureau of Customs boat.
Oh, it's a customs.
Yeah.
That's why it's quick. Customs. Enforcement and security services. Oh, I say, look at that. Oh, that's interesting. It's got three diesel outboards. Oh, look at that. Anyone who likes boats. 3 diesel outboards. Wow. That's the first time I've seen one, actually. I've heard about them. But I've never heard of that brand, but there, 3. So that's going to be pretty quick. Very heavy on the back. The flipping noise. Somebody else fishing here. Hello.
So he's saying that boat is going to Bacolod. That's where Rona's place.
Oh.
Yeah. Peter,
Okay.
that's going to Bacolod, where Rona lives.
There you are, Peter. If you want to get a ferry to Iloilo, that's your baby.
Ocean Jet. Yeah.
Ocean Jet 5. And there's the other ferry. Okay, there's a boat here. It's even got the captain's name on it. Captain John B. Larson. Here we are. Just go a bit closer. I don't know what kind of some kind of ferry or something. Hello. This is like the port area. So here, there's a ferry terminal across there. So I don't know what this one is. And then we're going to double back and we're going to go into the city proper. This is where the walk ends. That's it. So we've done the Esplanade walk and I don't know what other walks. So just have a look at this boat. So, you know, I like boats and I like the sea. So let's see what kind of it might be a ro-ro. It's a ro-ro type thing, but yeah. Welcome aboard. Yeah, somebody else fishing there. Look at that. Look, a bit of rope. He knows. He knows. Right, it must be passenger. Unless there's a door at the back. Another Coast Guard boat behind it, the white one. Read that. No, it's a passenger ferry. It's a passenger ferry because there's no door at the back.
It's not a passenger, it's a maritime boat. The guy said it's only there. The only passenger is that one.
That one there?
Yeah.
That's the only passenger ferry. Well, I don't know what that one is.
Coast Guard. Coast Guard boat.
So this is, I don't know what this is. It's a tug. It's a tugboat there. They tow the other boats or push the other boats, the bigger ships. They're really powerful. They're not fast, they're powerful. So this is like a barge. Some kind of barge. Something like that, I don't know what it is. But we got to double back anyway. So we got to double back because we're walking away from the city now. So we're going to double back. There we are. Hello! So friendly, really are. Hello! They're really so nice. You know, the place is so poor, but they're so nice. Muster Station.
He said we can go up.
Is it? Yeah, you can go on the boat. There you go. It's quite welcoming. So here we are on this, on this boat. Hello, hello. Salamat. They probably live on the boat. That's their job. That's their house. Everything. There it is. You can see they've got the washing and drying there. I don't know what this is. You wouldn't do this in Guernsey, that's for sure. There's no way. So. It's an old tugboat, so they use this to push the ships, the bigger ships like that one there. So they use to pull it and push it and whatever. They're really powerful. There's probably another little one.
That's the port for the.
And there's another little tugboat there. Look at that inside there. So there's a ferry terminal. But my brother might be using that next month. Because he's going to, what's the island called?
Bacolod.
Bacolod.
Yes.
Bacolod. Whatever it's called. There you are. So that's how you get there if you get the ferry. It's that ferry. So we're on, we're on this ship, and I don't know. Oh, anywhere else, the security cameras at here.
Look, they're swimming.
Oh my word, yeah, there's kids swimming in the river there and a harbour. Oh my word. You don't swim in harbours, but they do. Look, oh, there's a fish there. Look. Oh no, it's not. It's a stick. It was a fish. Oh dear.
They got a little jumping.
Oh dear, oh dear. So we've walked up that area. So we're coming down. Where's she gone? Oh, there. I thought you'd fallen in. Right, here we are. Somebody on that boat just sort of, they sleep in the hammocks underneath the boat. I don't want to feel. They're in their hammocks, there you are. So there we are. That's how people live here. That's it, it's fine. It's fine. So I suppose they wait to get called, get a job. You get a job when a ship comes in. They probably know the ships is coming in, which one's coming in, which one isn't.
It's raining again.
Right, well let's go.
It might rain again.
Step off this, whatever it is.
Salamat na. Salamat gid mayo.
There we are. Step down, that's it. Off the boat, please. Don't get on my boat again, all right? Keep off my land.
Okay.
Yeah, you won't get that every day.
It's a bonus.
Yeah. Yeah.
Master station. It says master. It's a must.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. I've read it before, but I don't know. Muster. Okay, we're going to head into the city and I'll do a bit more there.
Here, the magic.
What's that?
Magic.
Magic. I don't know if it was their fish.
No.
And she's going to chuck it in the river.
That's their fish. Come on, let's go.
Oh God, that's a bit of a small sport there. they're flaying. It was alive. It was just on the walkway. There's a fish, but I forgot to film it. I forgot to push a button.
Is it?
Oh,
You
so
sure?
here we are. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, there's the old guy here again. He was telling us about the stadium across the road there. We had to double back, so I just wanted to film those boats. He's got about 4 or 5 rods out, so I don't know if he's caught anything. I don't know where that fish came from. That's really weird. Anyway, don't mention the weather. Don't mention the weather.
Ikaw man lang ang
The
sadya.
shelter under this.
Ikaw man lang ang sadya.
And it's persistently raining down. Here we are, look now.
Hindi, makadto kami doon.
We don't mention the weather.
Makadto kami sa bye-bye. Makadto kami.
Don't mention the weather. Don't mention the weather. No. We've been sheltering for, oh God knows, it must be 45 minutes. Across there is one of the worst places in the world. No, it's not. No, it's not, if you like that sort of stuff. It's a Jollibee, which is the Philippine version of KFC. And and there are thousands everywhere. But the thing is, we can't cross, and I can't cross this unless I take my shoes and socks off. Because it's so flooded, it's like, ugh. So there you are. We've been sheltering under different bridges and verandas and everything. So we're going to try and get to the Jollibee somehow. But hopefully outside there we might be able to get a taxi or even a tuk-tuk. Look at that.
That's the nearest food.
Okay.
That's the nearest restaurant.
It's open, but I can't see any lights on. So there we are. It's so quiet. This city's so quiet. It's like it must shut down on a Sunday. It's like there you are. The tuk-tuk. Look at that go. Look at that. So we're going to cross that street. Look at this. Look at the flooding on that zebra crossing. Look where the tuk-tuk is now. Look. We can't even cross the street.
That's why next time you ride like this.
We're completely trapped. Yeah. I've got trainers. Look. There we are. There's a bloke coming out there. I really need a CR.
Brole.
Yeah,
you need
I
a
need
CR. In Jollibee.
Yeah, it's a CR. This is a comfort break they call it here. So
So we need to cross there, get you
there's
wet.
people there now. They're gonna go. Are they going in the Jollibee?
Yeah, it's open.
Well, have they come out of it? We don't know.
The entrance is from there where
Yeah.
the Jollibee saying welcome.
But I'll have to take my shoes and socks off, eh?
No,
I did to cross the street. I'm never going to jump over that.
yeah. That's why you're gonna be wet.
The flood is halfway across the road here. Look.
There's
Anyway.
no way to clear that water. for
No,
an
no,
hour,
no.
so
So no.
you have no choice. but to get wet. You have no choice.
You're loving
I'm
it, aren't you?
afraid.
You're loving
Yes.
it.
Welcome to the Philippines. It's only in the Philippines.
Oh dear. Okay, well I'll update you later, Cherry.
Alright. Managed to get in Jollibee. Soaking wet.
But don't mention the weather, all right?
Yes.
So we made it. We made it. Here we are. Look at this.
When it rains, it pours.
We're in Jollibee. Jollibee. Oh, absolutely saturated. My shoes, my trainers are ruined. Anyway, that's it.
When it rains, it pours, yeah?
Guess
Don't-
what? I'm going to eat some fried chicken now. We're Jollibee, been served by a lovely lady and her name badge. I told her I love your name. Her name is Pinkie Pie. Well, thank you Jollibee and Pinkie Pie for food and sheltering us from the, don't mention the weather. Okay, it's all cleared up. It's all cleared up. Now we got soaked. My feet are soaked. Everything's soaked. Thankfully, there's a lot of these Jollibees around. We found it from Google Maps, Google Earth. So we're gonna have a look inside the city now.